Hello, fam. Uh, Good afternoon. Okay, based on the assignment given, um, let me start with Ethereum. I think I'm sure I did in Ethereum. Okay, this was the setup I had in Ethereum. Mostly entering in the 4-hour time frame. As it is now, I drew a trend line connecting this level, this low level, and also this level, and I was waiting for it to bounce, but then I saw an entry on this level which I took. I was expecting it to get to this level, but it didn't get to it. Then I saw this resistance level, and at this point I exited the trade. At about that point I made $9. I did 2 entry, and now as it is, the trade has started coming back, and I'm just waiting to see what will happen around this point. And if it shows me a good signal, whether it breaks out, gives me a good retest, I will enter for a sell. If not, if it bounces around this trend line and goes up, I will enter for a buy, another buy, and follow the trend on the 4-hour time frame. Going to Euro USD, my Euro USD, I drawn a trend line, a bigger trend line, connecting this level, and this level. I think I need to change the trend line to make sure it connects to this level, and I was waiting to see what will happen around here. And then when it moved, I saw another one which I connected at about this point, connected this level to this trend line. Now it has moved. This came and short and gave a long wick, and I think I took a trade on this. Let me see. No, I didn't take a trade on it. Bounced on this. I saw this. I wanted to take a trade, but I didn't take a trade because of this long candle. I noticed it's an inside bar, so I didn't know what to do about it. I left it, and now it has come to bounce on this trend line again. All because it was an inside bar, I didn't take it. But I think I should have taken it from this level after giving me this engulfing, and this level would have been my entry level, my confirmation and then entry. This would have been the pattern, confirmation and an entry. Maybe I would have been in a trade and it would have come back. So this is also support level. I want to see what will happen. Probably it will bounce on this, come back, and then roll down. This is what I'm waiting for, to see what will happen. And then in this Euro JPY, I missed this trade. I drew this also. I had this trade. This was a long candle, and this candle covered the whole of this candle, making it an inside bar. So I didn't know what to do, even though I had drawn a support line at this point, and when the candle bounced on this point and had shown this it had engulfed this little candle here and shown this candle as a confirmation. I should have entered at this point and I will be riding the trend at this time, since it bounced on my trend line. It's like the third bounce, even though it broke out of it and then it went, but also at a resistance level at this point. So that trade I didn't take, but I had initially taken a trade on it, yes, where I closed with 0.72 cents, as you can see, where I closed with 0.72 cents. So the next thing is my GDP JPY, where I'm actually waiting for this support level to react, and it has started reacting at this support level. I'm waiting for this. This is a morning star candle. I'm waiting for this candle to close to see if it gives what I want, because I can see the bearish candle, and then the hammer candle, and then now is this hammer candle had a gap up, and this bullish candle showing a good momentum is here. If this candle closes, I think I'm supposed to wait for a confirmation of another bearish candle before I enter into the trade and the third candle. So this I'm waiting for, where I'll put my stop loss below here. Though it's on the 4-hour time frame, it might be a very large stop loss, and I will target this TP as my first TP, and possibly higher above. This is what I'm waiting for. But if I want to have an aggressive entry, I could enter from this point using the lot size of 0.01, put my stop loss at this level, which would be about 8. That's when the candle closes. It will be about 8 USDT, and target about 14 USDT. That's not up to 1:2 risk to reward ratio, but if I bring it to about this point, almost 1:2 risk to reward ratio, let's see, about here, and I could enter this trade as a what they call it, as a risk entry when the candle closes, and that's basically it. But I don't think I will enter it for now. Let me see what goes on before I will conclude on what to do. Thank you very much, and that's it for now.